Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Essence Stone in Anime Vanguard step by step. Draw your starting hand and reveal any Essence Stone cards. Essence Stone charges over turns. Place it in your resource area to gain 1 charge per turn. Spend charges to activate abilities that buff units or alter field conditions. Track charges carefully and prioritize activating stones that support your deck's win condition. Communicate plays clearly when playing multiplayer formats. Place Essence Stone in your reserve zone at the start of your turn to begin charging immediately. Pay attention to turn order and opponent threats when deciding when to activate the stone. Combine the stone with early tempo units for consistent advantage. Save charges for pivotal moments like finishing combos or stalling lethal damage. Practice a few mock games to feel the timing and resource management skills required to use stones effectively. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for your commute to tournaments so your car smells fresh after long game nights. It pairs surprisingly well with focusing on strategy and keeping a clear mind. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick one up. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use charges to trigger reactive effects on opponent turns when possible for surprise plays. Coordinate with other cards that benefit from charged resources to maximize value per charge. Avoid wasting charges on low-impact effects when you can save them for a game-changing play. Monitor opponent hand size and board state to choose between offense or defense when spending charges. Review replay footage to spot better charge timing and learn from mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.